All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So my wife actually got an S23 Plus just like this. This is mine, but she got the same color, and she picked out a few options on the site to get with the credits, and this is one that she chose right here. So she got this cream S-View wallet case, and she doesn't want it. So I said I probably won't use it, but I'll go ahead and I'll do a quick little video on it, showcase it. She got some other stuff too. But again, S-View wallet case in cream for the S23 Plus. And let's crack it open. Let's check it out. I got the seal on it. All right. Get some paperwork and stuff on how to put it on. And here it is. Here it is. So this actually feels, I can't tell whether it feels like a soft touch matte. And it feels like it could possibly be leather, but I don't think this is, with the price though, it's definitely not leather, but it has that leather feel. Yeah, it's definitely plastic after coming over here. So you would put your credit card or ID over here. On those days, slide a one bill in there. This can't hold too much right here. It'll bow out. So maybe one credit card because it's got or one ID right there, and maybe a bill in there because it's got the indentation for it right here. And then your phone is going to go on this side. Now it does have a soft touch velvet feel inside of here to help protect it. You can see it's designed by Samsun. Made in Vietnam is what that says. I cannot believe I was able to read that with my bifocals on. So you got the cutouts here for the cameras, and you got the cutout for the LED flash. You got your volume rocker covered here, your power button covered, the microphone on top for cancellation, speaker out, charging port, and mic sync down there. And so this. I'm not a fan of wallet style cases, but I thought, okay, we'll give it a shot and try it out. Yeah, she was like, no, I don't really want it. So let's see what happens if there we go, it automatically adjusted. If you kind of see there, it was cut off a little bit from my original lock screen, but now it automatically recognized the case and it said, hey, this is something new. So the first thing I want to test here, before I get into like wireless charging and all that, I want to call it to see what happens. So I'm going to call it here. I really was curious about this to see what would happen. So let's see here. Let's call it. Okay, let's try this. I had a call come in, so now let's go ahead and test this out. You can see this is what it looks like when you actually get a call come in. You get a little small window right there. Now you can see the orange dot up there. That's messages. I don't know if you saw that, but that's messages up there. So I'm going to send a text message. You can see pops up messages. And so I have it hidden. So that's why you don't see anything come through. But this could be very useful. Again, I don't know how I feel about the folio style. It definitely gives a lot of protection. That's a must. So let's go ahead and try the wireless charging. You can hear it come on, but there's no indication up here. Like there's no animation, but I can see that it's charging. So it definitely works. If you pop it open, you'll see charging. So this is a pretty decent case. I like how it looks on the back. I really like this. And the fact that it has, some protection around the entire device. My only complaint and gripe about folio style cases or wallet cases is just that they're wallet cases. It would have been really nice if this would detach, but it does not. So don't rip your case apart. But this is it, man. This is the wallet case from Samsung directly. Really nice. It automatically picked up exactly what was going on here, recognized the accessory, and it transformed itself on the outer display right there. So there it is. Quick video on this thing, man. Really nice. Maybe I'll test it out. Currently been using the Rinky Onyx. That's my favorite. But I'll go ahead and test this out. She doesn't want it, so I guess I'll test it out and actually get some real world usage when I'm carrying it around and see how I like it. I have a feeling this will probably get dirty really easy. Depending on if you're wearing like the dye from your clothes in your pocket or whatever, it could possibly get dirty really quick. And think about wallet cases. This is something I don't really care for either. Like it's so flimsy on this portion right here. It has to be in order for it to be a folio case. Now it would have been nice to incorporate a magnet right here to help solve for that. I think that just would have been a nice look. So anyway, it's your man Jay. Nice wallet case in. We'll see how this works out. I'll try it out for about 24 to 48 hours. Let's go.